What?
Do you like your new toy?
Check that motor. There. Go right there. Oh,
Who had a truck like that?
Timmy. He won.
Who had a four-wheeler like that?
Scott.
Very good.
That's a fool. He has it. It's fake.
What are those?
Fake.
That's a motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycles are?
Dangerous.
Very.
Fake.
That's a four-wheeler.
Four-wheeler.
Can you count the wheels on it?
Yes, I do have all the wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
Then that would be a seven-wheeler.
Oh no!
We're going to go to Trout Lake next week?
1, 2. 2 wheels.
Hey, Ben, why did you get that truck? What did you do?
Yes.
No, what did you do that Mommy bought you a present?
Oh, the pie.
You went on the potty.
And mangoes. Right there. Right there. Oh, right there. Right there. That's right there. I opened it. Put in the truck.
Uh-oh, the hitch fell off.
I put the meat in the truck. And then on the
All right, Ben, I'm going to shut off the video.